Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And our book comes out today. It's called
Be a Plant-Based Woman Warrior. Live fierce, stay bold, eat delicious.
We are so excited to share about it because going forward from this day, we're going to be working on recipes from here. And we've got what?
Oh, thousands.
Thousands and thousands.
It's amazing how many recipes are in here. But most of all, this book is just so beautiful.
When we gave all the information, like the recipes and the stuff we wrote up, and some ideas to we throw this stuff into the editor's lap, and then the photographer throws the pictures in the lap. They made it into something way more beautiful than we
ever dreamed.
Totally.
And it was Jane's idea to do this, and man,
it would have been gone nowhere without her.
Okay. Really did something stunning.
From this new book, we are going to be hosting all kinds of new events, and plant-based women warriors are invited to come. Plant-based men warriors are invited to come. Anybody who wants to get into eating delicious plant-based food. And we're going to have them in March. We're going to have them in the summer. We're going to have them in the fall. Just hope to see you at some of them.
So
Thanks so
all
much.
of you need to be
plant-based women warriors who live fierce, stay bold, and eat delicious. Woohoo!
Yeah.